We capture color with our digital cameras, but I love black and white work. You probably do too. So what's the easiest, most efficient way to convert your image very quickly in Photoshop to a black and white image? I'm going to show you how. And the answer is the black and white adjustment layer in Photoshop. So not a bad start, but the real advantage of this tool is that you can isolate each of the individual colors in the image and change the tonal range of that color. So if we know there's lots of reds in the skin tone, I can just bring that down a bit, add a little bit of bite. And then I know we have some room in his scarf, it's a bit of a blue here. I'm gonna ramp that up a bit just to brighten it. And there you have it, full control with the black and white adjustment layer.